my channel. So today we are making acrylic texture paste. In order to make this acrylic paste at home, we need any kind of powder that we have. We need acrylic gesso, some liquid glue and water. So first of all, I am pouring some powder in a small container. As it was the first time making this acrylic paste, I didn't measure the powder quantity, but I wanted to experiment with the time. Then I am adding some liquid glue. Thirdly, I am adding some acrylic gesso. Finally, I am going to mix these ingredients with some water. It is essential to mix the paste with the time and patience. After having mixed properly for about 10 to 12 minutes, I have poured the mixture into my handmade cone. You can use any kind of solid plastic to make this cone easily at home. After pouring the mixture, it is important to seal the cone properly so that the mixture don't get dried soon. Now I'm going to show you how to wrap the plastic to make a perfect cone. After having sealed the head of the cone with tape, we need to cut the extra part of the cone. Now it will be easier to pour the rest of the acrylic paste into the cone. In order to preserve this acrylic paste for longer, it's better to wrap these cones with any kind of plastic food wrapper. And now they are ready to use. If you like my videos, please don't forget to